Who says you can't enjoy the flavors of a Big Mac while staying on track with healthy eating? Today, we're making a healthy Big Mac roll that's packed with all the classic flavors but without the heavy carbs. Let's get started. Ingredients for the roll base: 1 cup Greek yogurt, 3 eggs, 1 cup shredded mozzarella or cheddar cheese, a pinch of salt and black pepper. For the filling: 100 grams lean ground beef, 1 tomato, 3 small pickles, 1 small red onion, fresh lettuce leaves, salt, black pepper, and paprika to taste. For the special sauce: 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 1 tablespoon mustard. In a mixing bowl, whisk together Greek yogurt, eggs, shredded cheese, salt, and black pepper until smooth. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper and pour the mixture evenly, leaving a small border around the edges. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, or until lightly golden on top. Once done, let it cool completely before handling. In a non-stick pan, cook the lean ground beef over medium heat, breaking it apart until browned. Season with salt, black pepper, and paprika, then set aside. Dice the tomato, slice the pickles, thinly slice the red onion, and chop the lettuce into thin strips. In a small bowl, mix together Greek yogurt, ketchup, and mustard until smooth. Carefully flip the baked roll base onto a clean surface and gently peel off the parchment paper. Spread half of the special sauce evenly over the base. Evenly distribute the cooked ground beef, followed by the fresh vegetables. Drizzle the remaining sauce over the top. Gently but firmly roll up the wrap, making sure to keep the filling inside. Slice into pieces and enjoy. Give this healthy Big Mac roll a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious and guilt-free recipes.